Imagine using ingredients that have been the secret to timeless beauty for centuries. Simple, powerful, and straight from nature itself. What if I told you that your skin could look younger, more radiant, and smoother with just a few natural wonders? Stay tuned to uncover a beauty secret that's been passed down through generations, ready to transform your skincare routine forever. Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the heart of nature's beauty with an ancient recipe that has stood the test of time. Forget chemicals and synthetic ingredients. We're going to make a homemade anti-aging cream that will nourish your skin like never before. And the best part? It uses two extraordinary flowers, Shea and Polish, both known for their skin-loving properties. These aren't just any flowers. They have been revered for centuries in Ayurveda for their ability to keep skin youthful, glowing, and radiant. Let's explore how these flowers work wonders and learn how to create your very own luxurious natural skincare potion. Let's start with Shea, also known as the ouse flower. This beautiful, rare bloom isn't just a feast for the eyes, it's a powerhouse for your skin. Revered in ancient cultures, Shea was used by royalty to maintain a soft, radiant glow. But why? Shea is loaded with antioxidants and phytochemicals that help fight oxidative stress, a major culprit in the development of wrinkles and age spots. By neutralizing free radicals, Shea helps maintain the skin's firmness and elasticity. And the best part? Studies have confirmed what ancient wisdom already knew. It's incredibly effective in promoting youthful skin. So, every time you apply Shea, you're tapping into thousands of years of beauty knowledge. Next up is Polish, the vibrant flame of the forest. This fiery orange flower is more than just a symbol of beauty. It's a treasure trove of anti-aging compounds. Polish is packed with tannins and gallic acid, which help tighten the skin, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy circulation. In fact, Ayurveda has long hailed Polish for its rejuvenating properties. Modern science has now validated these claims, proving that Polish is a potent weapon in the fight against aging. The best part? It's been used in traditional beauty rituals for centuries, often called the tears of Agni, the fire god in Hindu mythology. With Polish, you're embracing the ultimate natural renewal for your skin. Now, imagine combining these two miracle flowers, Shea and Polish, with a few other skin-loving ingredients. This blend isn't just a recipe, it's a celebration of nature's beauty secrets. My grandmother used to say, "True beauty comes from the earth," and she was right. She would create a simple cream using Shea and Polish, blending them with natural oils like almond and apricot, and adding a hint of saffron for that perfect glow. Watching her skin always remain youthful and glowing made me believe that there was magic involved. But now I know, it's the magic of nature working its wonders. Let's get to the fun part, making this all-natural anti-aging cream. Here's what you'll need: a handful of dried Shea flowers, a small bunch of Polish petals, rose water, a pinch of saffron, almond oil, apricot oil, and rosehip oil. To make the cream, soak the dried Shea flowers and Polish petals in rose water overnight. The next day, grind the mixture into a smooth paste. Add a pinch of saffron for that golden glow. Stir in a teaspoon of each: almond oil, apricot oil, and rosehip oil. These oils are packed with nourishing properties that will leave your skin feeling soft and hydrated. Mix everything together using a wooden spoon until you get a smooth, lump-free consistency. And there you have it, your own jar of magical, age-defying cream. Here's the real magic. This cream is not just natural, it's scientifically backed. Research has shown that the antioxidants in Shea and Polish improve skin texture, prevent fine lines, and promote a youthful complexion. Saffron helps brighten and rejuvenate your skin from within, giving you that natural glow. So, don't settle for harsh chemicals when you can give your skin the best that nature has to offer. This homemade cream isn't just a luxury, it's a way to connect with ancient beauty wisdom that's been passed down through generations. Your skin deserves the best, and with this natural anti-aging cream, you're not just nourishing it, you're embracing the timeless power of nature. Give it a try tonight, and feel the difference as you wake up with smoother, more radiant skin. If you found this recipe as exciting as I did, Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more beauty secrets that bring out the best in you. Drop a comment below and tell me how your skin feels after using this cream. Let's glow together!